Grayson in the snow at night. There's Daddy. There's Ripley. You're making tracks. Making tracks in the snow, guys. Our whole yard is covered in snow. As far as the eye can see. Wow, big hill. Ripley! Ripley's eating the snow. He's eating it. Here, boy. Snowball. Ripley's making a snowball. Hey, Rip. What you think, Ripley? What you think, Grayson? You making a snowball too? Hi. There he goes. I think Ripley really likes the snow.